Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So the $1,000,000 question is what we should do if the Nothing phone is lost. So the Nothing phone is one of the best phones with the stock Android experience you will be getting right now, and we should know what we can do if the Nothing phone is lost and what we can configure right now in this phone so that we can track the phone and also can save it from stolen. Also, once stolen, we can wipe the data and make this phone unusable. So in this video we'll discuss what we can do if our Nothing phone is lost. So this will be a very important video because we will get to know how we can protect our phone from being stolen, and also we can track our Nothing phone from anywhere in the world. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to shares, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Nothing phone has been there for a while and it has been one of the best phones which comes with the stock Android experience, and every month the Nothing phone is being updated and new features are being added in this phone, and the phone has become a lot more stable than before. So we need to configure certain things in this phone to track this phone when it is getting stolen. So for that we need to use the app which comes with the name of Find My Device. So Find Device will be the icon name of the app, and obviously you can get this app in the Play Store itself, and this app is absolutely free up there. So if you search in the Play Store Find My Device, and definitely this app is one of the best apps you can get when it comes to finding your device or tracking your device. So you need to install this app, and this app has been developed by Google, that's why it is one of the best. So once installed, you have to open the app, and once you open the app you need to sign in with the credentials of your Google account. So I will recommend you to sign in with the same Google account which you have used it to sign in into your phone. So the Android device at the first time when it is configured, the same Google account I will recommend you to use in there. So here I have logged into my Find My Device with my OnePlus device because my Nothing phone 1 has been lost. So in that case I will not be able to access this device. So here once you log in, you will able to see the phone and will able to track the phone also where it is right now. So here you can see it is showing the phone location, and also it will show you some of the useful information like how much charge is left and also the name of the owner of the phone. So here you can do certain things like you can play the sounds so that you can find your phone easily. So if I just play a sound, so here you can see it is ringing so much loudly, so it will just play the sound at the maximum volume so that you will be able to hear the phone sound from a long distance. And also you can secure your device and erase your device. So secure device will help you to lock the device so that the other person will not be able to use it. So while locking the device you can add some message. If you have lost your phone, here you can put your mobile number and also your name so that the person who have found this phone can call you and inform you that they have found the phone. And also it will lock the device with the lock screen. It will only show you the number and the name of the owner of the phone or whatever name you have given in there. So I have just secured my device with a name, and you can see it will just show this thing to the person who will be finding this phone, and it will be locked. So I will not be able to use the phone anymore or do anything in this phone. So this is completely locked and the phone will be unusable, and if any person will get this phone, obviously will return it back to you. Also it will give you the option to erase everything like the passwords in this phone. So definitely this is a very useful feature which you can use once your device is locked. And the last thing you can do is erase the device. That means it will erase the data in the phone which has been lost. So right now the nothing phone has been lost, so it will erase all the data in this phone, and definitely it will be very difficult to use this phone. You need to reconfigure this phone from the scratch. So erase device will erase the data in this phone, and this secure device will lock the device, so it is very difficult for the person to use this phone anymore or access any data if the nothing phone has been lost from your end. And the most important thing is whether these features will work without the SIM in it, because the first thing, if your phone is stolen, the SIM will be removed from the phone. So the best part is this will work without the SIM, and it will work as long as there will be charge in the phone or it will be connected to the internet. So in these cases it will work. And if your phone has been totally lost and there is no charge at all, is not switching on, in that case it will show you the last tracked location of your phone. So by this map location you can track and get the phone back in the extreme scenario case. Other than that, it is a very important feature to instantly track the phone if you have lost nearby, or it can also be very important if you have left your phone anywhere, so that the person who will be getting the phone can return it back to you with the number and name which you will be mentioning in the secure device option. So that's it guys, I just wanted to tell you what are the steps you can do if you want to track the nothing phone in case it has been lost. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.